Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. So today I'm working on this kitchen to create some storage space for our utensils. So this house didn't come with any storage space on the wall, that is clothes cabinet or kitchen cabinets. Didn't come with any cabinets on the wall. So I've dealt with the issue of storage for our clothes. Like, I've already created storage for our clothes in this house. I've also created storage for our shopping, groceries, food stuff. I've created space for that, our pantry, that is, even though it's not complete yet, but it's still serving us well. So the only space I think it's remaining is the kitchen. So today I want to create some shelves on this, some floating shelves on this wall. This is the kitchen wall. As you can see, it's very empty. And then since we don't have like many utensils, I'm only going to create like a small space that will only be enough for our utensils. So yes, let me do that right now. So let me show you the pieces. So these are the pieces that I'm using. These are two. So you have this one and this one, each is 3 feet long. So I'm going to apply some wood stain and wood varnish, and then I'll be back when installing the shelves on the wall.
I can feel your body resting on my chest. I can stand my shoulder, it's all you get. When you moved around, yeah, that's where it all fell. Oh, to the ground, baby. And you like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. Yeah. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to cut all of the strings that get attached, and you make sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say my name.
I'm done with the first shelf finally. That one was not easy. Now on to the second one. So I had nailed some. I'd already nailed some brackets already, but I realized they were a bit low.
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through. Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my loving, call me and I'll step on you. Then we can talk all night long. If you want this loving, then call me and I'll drive to you. Then we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll come through. Just call me and I'll come through. Just call me and I'll come through.
guys, so I'm now done with the shelves. Now it's time to check. So my video, nyamaza. Guys, I'm done doing the shelves. Now it's time to place my utensils over the shelves. I made these shelves for my few utensils because we don't have many utensils in this house. But yeah, these ones are going to work. So yes, I'm also done washing the dishes. I'm so excited for the next step, which is placing the utensils and also decorating this small space. I love how the it has turned out, the black and this is a combination of, this color is a combination of light oak and walnuts. Yeah, I love the color. Yes, so let's now place the utensils and decorate. So guys, this one is not yet over, but I'm removing it because I know I'm going to use a lot of paper towel right now to dry the utensils. So yeah. So now mom is going to play these things. Yeah, actually we're not there because my homework
You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero. I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me? Ice cold veins when you cut me deep, I'll bleed out. I feel like I'm losing it. Oh, why is it so hard for me to breathe now? Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night.
So I'm using this to put all the plastics that we have. Not really plastics, but snack dishes for my daughter and also her water bottle for school.
I can feel your body resting on my chest. I guess that my shoulder is all you get. When you moved around, yeah, that's where it all fell. Oh, to the ground, baby. And you like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to should've caught all of the strings that get attached. And you made sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say your name, say your name. And make me feel so medicated. They say we can feel it even if it don't last. Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I made sure to cut all of the strings that get attached. And you made sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say your name, say your name. And make me feel so medicated, medicated. Love the way you say your name, say your name. You like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's true.